Welcome to Dplay Studio. Today, let me show you first one thing before starting the lecture. Game Manager 6. Here, what I have done is I have just changed the path points from here to here for the quick testing. As you can see, that the dice is not getting transferred and I cannot move the player pace. So dice should transfer automatically. We will see today in this lecture, and let's see if one comes that dice can roll again. So dice can roll again when it reaches to center path point. So let's see. For to correct this, come to our player piece script, and in this create an what in this in enumerator move steps function. So in if path point is available to move here, what we will do, create an else condition. If is available to move, then it will move, but if not available to move, then we'll transfer a dice. So game manager dot instance dot transfer dice equals to transfer dice equals to true. With this, the dice should transfer. So let's check it out. As you can, so what will happen now, when I will click over this player piece, dice will get transferred. As when I click this, the dice transferred. We don't want this, we want automatically dice should transfer to the next turn. So for this, what we will do is we will come to our rolling dice script. Before that, come to our game manager script, and here we will create a few variables. Public, we will create list, public list of player pieces, and name it blue player piece. And similarly we will do rest. Red player piece, green player piece, and yellow. And after this, come to our rolling dice. In here we will create few variables. Int complete player. Here also we will create another list for player pieces, and path point, array current path point, and player piece current piece. So let's see what we can do over here. First we will call our player pieces. Player piece, player pieces equals to game manager dot instance dot blue player piece. This is the player piece which is game manager, which we will drag and drop our players, and we will see current path point also. Current path point will be equal to path path object parent, which is the path object parent now. Path object parent, it will be not equal to path object parent, it will be equal to these path points. So for this, player pieces 0 dot path parent dot blue path points, and out players we will do for complete players also. Complete player equal to game manager dot instance dot blue complete player, and we will do the same for rest of all. And change its name red. Green it will be. We have updated all our things, and create we will create another function, name it bool player can move, and in here what we will do is, if out player is greater than 0, and game manager dot instance dot number of steps to move is equal to is not equal to 6. First we will take is not equal to 6, and in here 4 int I equals to 0, I less than player pieces dot count, and I plus plus. In here we will do another if condition. We will check if player is ready or not. Player pieces I is ready. In here player pieces, if I dot is path point available to move, then game manager dot instance dot number of steps to move player pieces I dot number of steps already moved current path point. After this, current piece will be equal to player piece I, and we will do return true. and another if condition, else if out player equals to 0 and game manager dot instance dot number of steps to move is equal to 6, then return true, and afterward we will do return false. Here we will do public, and let's see what else we can do. In here where is out player, here now we will check if player can move, then it's okay, but if player cannot move, here we are just checking it out whether player can move or not. So for this we will do when player cannot move this function, then what we will do, we will comment this out, and in here we will do another bool, any piece can move equals to false. After that we will do for each loop, for each player pieces, player piece in player pieces, and here we will check if is ready. What we will do is check piece is ready or not. Piece is ready, and piece dot is path point available to move, and we will same pass this thing in here, and then we will do any piece can move equals to true and break. This means that piece will move if it can move, and after that we will do another if. What if piece cannot move, what we will do if piece cannot move, then we will create few if conditions. If game manager dot instance dot rolling dice, not rolling dice, number of steps to move is not equal to 6, and out player is greater than 0, then yield return new, wait for seconds, 0.5f. After that game manager dot instance dot transfer dice equals to true, and we will do this game manager dot instance dot rolling dice manager. So in here we will do another more conditions. So what we are doing over here is we are checking that is player is not equal to 6, that player cannot move 6 steps and out player is greater than 0, and we are also checking that if player cannot move. So if this is true, then you can transfer the dice, and now in second condition equals to 0, if there are no out players, then also we need to transfer them, right? So after last in last what we will do, if game manager dot instance dot number of steps are not equal to 6, here it will be wrong. So what we can do is game manager dot instance dot number of steps to move is equal to 6, and out players are less than or equal to 4, then here transfer dice will get false, and same dice can rotate, or then player piece will move. Here just let's do if else if अगर ये हुआ तो ये हुआ, अगर ये हुआ तो ये हुआ, and here we will do else, and here also transfer dice will be true if any other condition is there. So let's check it out. I think it should work properly fine. There is some error. Here it will be piece. Game manager, yes, number of steps to move 6, and player is out, transferred 6 1, and here let me do 3 steps, transferred 4 5 1, let's do 1 6 4 2. Now as you can see that the dice has been transferred automatically. So I haven't clicked over the player piece and the dice is transferred. So now let's see one more thing in here. Let me take out all the blue player pieces. Now let's see what if 6 comes here, what will happen. We need to wait for it. No 6 for blue. Let's check this out. I will do 3 and the player should go inside home and the dice should roll again. See, this also works perfectly fine. And 2, 4, in green 6 is coming. Let's quickly do this over here for fast testing. As you can see now that the dice hasn't transferred, so the dice is here, but I can roll over here again, but the dice is not getting transferred. We don't want this. We want that when there are no steps, 6 steps to move, then the dice should move forward, that get transferred. So let's check it out how we can do it. So come back to a rolling dice script, and in here we will create another if condition at the beginning. If number of steps to move are equal to 6, let me are equal to and 6, then and and out player is less than or equal to 4, then we will here do the same, transfer dice, and now let's check it again. Now it should work completely fine. See, now the dice is not transferred because it knows that the this piece can come out. So the piece has come out, and 5. This also goes in, and we can rotate again 3. So let's bring our piece out for quick testing. 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 5. Let's do it over here 3. Dice has transferred. The part was working fine. 1. So let's play 1, 2. Let's go for 1. Now 6 is not coming. Okay, let's do one thing. Uh, Ludo home, blue player, blue rolling dice. Let's put all sixes over here because the number is reading this only. So it's for quick testing. Now let's see. And 6. 6. See, as you can see, 6 has come and transferred as it cannot move 6. So this works perfectly fine. This is what we want. See, the 6 came and the dice has been transferred. Why it's reading 4? Then let's wait for 6. I think it should go with this. Should go with this. As you can see here, the 6 has come and blue rolling dice and dash has been transferred immediately. So this thing is working perfectly fine. Let's check once over again if it 6 comes. 4, 6. As you can see, again 6 has come and it has been transferred. So this is working perfectly fine. And so I think all the main part is complete. So let's meet in the next lecture.